this is Simon from GunplaUK. This is the second work in progress for the Modoroid Madox 01 from Goodsmile. In this vid I'll be showing you the painting and detailing process and showing off the completed model. So first up, I primed all of the parts using Mr. Colour primers in black for the inner frame parts and for the weapons, grey for the armour parts and white for the yellow sections. Next I base coated the armour parts in dark grey and base coated the weapons and inner frames in a gorgeous metallic black from Mr. Colour. I base coated the yellow parts in white just to ensure a nice vibrant orange yellow. Next I post shaded the armour parts in a lighter grey with a tiny amount of blue mixed in to produce a more Russian grey tone. I then airbrushed the yellow pieces with Mr. Colour orange yellow. I then painted in a few mechanical details and masked off some sections of the main weapon for added detail. After a clear top coat, I then did some panel lining and then began to apply some decals. The decals the kit came with were only a single set of numbers, so I decided to use some high Q decals to add some more detail and a nice big Madox 01 on the left wing piece. After another top coat to bring it all together, I reassembled the kit. The left arm gave me a little trouble staying in place, but I eventually got it to stay. And here is the completed kit. Unfortunately too, during the reassembly I broke the small antenna, but I'll come back and fix it later. Overall I like the unusual design of this one, and it was fun to build and paint. It's not very stable when it comes to articulation, so I'll be keeping it in a pretty fixed pose on display. And that's it from me. Thank you all for watching, as always, and I'll be back again soon with a new kit on the bench. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy my content, and have a great day. Goodbye.